Okay, here we have the 3-hour proofed dough, and the cast iron pot has been preheated. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get the bread dough into the cast iron pot, as well as to score the dough. So here we go. You need some flour on your hands, and if it's a little sticky, you can just gently add some flour here. And what you're going to do is slowly get it into the cast iron pot there, and you're going to be able to score it. You can leave the rice flour here, or you could take a brush and brush it off, but it's alright to just keep it there. And the purpose of scoring your dough is that it'll allow it to grow as it expands. So what I'm going to do is today I'm just going to make a nice easy design. I will score it here. Maybe I'll do a leaf pattern, and you want to do it at a 45-degree angle so that it can actually open in a certain way. And then I'll just do a little bit there, and then maybe a few leaves like that. And what's going to happen is that all of this is going to actually open up, but there's not going to be much expansion here. So I'm going to just kind of score it a few lines this way and a few lines that way, and then we'll put this into the oven. Okay, here is my smaller little 2-quart cast iron, and this is my dough here. Going to just lightly flour it at the top just so that it doesn't stick, and then what I will be doing is basically moving it and slowly putting it there and scoring this one. Today I'll just make easy crosshatch, so I'll do it at a 45-degree angle. There, there, and there. And if you don't have a bread lamb or a razor, you can always use a sharp pair of scissors and just make some cuts. Alright, so there we go. So that's if you don't have a bread lamb. Reduce the oven to 450 degrees, bake the smaller 2-quart for 20 minutes, and then we will take off the lid and then bake it for another 20 minutes. The larger cast iron we'll bake for 25 minutes, take off the lid and bake for another 25 minutes. The lid on the cast iron pot will generate steam, which gives it the nice crust. Okay, we're going to take out our bread.